So check out these dual wireless mics from XZL. These things are great. First off, they come in a really nice case. And you have the two microphones. They have a rechargeable battery and you can recharge them up with USB-C, and then you can power them on just like so. And you could select the channel because it's UHF. You can go a lot farther with a lot less interference. And in case you were wondering what it sounds like, this is it right here. Check 1, check 2. Yeah, so this is the quality of the sound of the microphone. This is with the wind muff on. I could switch microphones now, and I have this one. This is the other one without the wind muff, so you can hear what it sounds like. So you can have both on at the same time and like do an interview. And yeah, this is what they sound like. The microphones are really nice quality. They have a good solid build to them, nice in your hand, and also have a really nice grill as well. And this right here is the receiver. So this is going to plug into any mixer or speaker, and you are going to be able to charge this as well with USB-C. Now maybe you need to go into something with 1/8 inch. It does have a really nice adapter. So you could power this thing on and it will connect right away to your microphones. So if you're speaking at an event and singing, this is going to be really good for you. This is going to be great. It's just easy to use and works really well. And if you are recording outside or you might spit a lot, you could pop one of these pop filters, wind muffs on top of the microphone, and it fits on nice and easily. And this is a really great USB-A. It's a dual USB-Cs, so you can plug and charge both mics at the same time. So it's a really great system. This would be great for anyone doing speaking engagements, and it sounds really good. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.